And they said, oh, no, like you have to pay with us and it's twice the amount. So I like booked on Agoda right in front of them. And I'm like, there you go, it's confirmed, I've paid. And they got all shitty with me and they're like, well, good morning from Bangkok. I've been back in the city for a couple of days now and I had enough of the place, so I'm heading off to Pattaya. I'm just kidding, I haven't had enough of this place. I love this city. I'm so happy to be back, but I got a couple friends down in Pattaya at the moment, and I just wanted some time by the beach. That was the bus that I wanted to get on. Bangkok traffic. What are you gonna do? Well, I just missed the big bus, but there's a little van leaving in a couple of minutes, so I'll jump in that, that'll do. Yeah, I have arrived. Good run. That bus didn't stop. Like no packages, no picking up or dropping off extra people. So we actually got here really quick. Oh man, it's good to be back here. It feels like so long since I've been here. I guess it's been a couple of weeks, probably the longest stretch that I haven't been here in a long time. So I just came down, it's a friend's birthday down here. I'm down for about 3 days, I think. I don't know, we'll see. It's good to be back by the ocean, looking at the beach here. Oh, I just feel good every time I come down here. So I don't have too much on this afternoon. Gonna go grab some lunch now. There'll be beers at some point. It's gonna be awesome. So just coming for some lunch now at a place I've really missed here, Sailor Bar. So this place has a great sweet and sour chicken. I get it pretty much every time I come here. And it's funny, like once I've been away somewhere and I come back to Thailand, I always want to eat the things I miss the most. So yesterday was a green curry. Sweet and sour chicken is definitely one of my other favorites. And thank you. And it's great from here. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, awesome lunch as always. I love that place. If you're here in Pattaya, make sure you check it out. Great food, it's really cheap. It's actually a really cheap place to drink as well. So I've got a little bit of time to kill now. My hotel, my hotel experience was quite funny. So I'm staying in a different hotel that I haven't stayed at before. And I found it online when I was on the bus on the way here. And when I got here, I didn't actually book online. I just wanted to come down and check it out. And when I got here, I tried to like get a room or whatever. And they tried to charge me more than double what the price was online. And I said, oh, but it's this much online. And they said, oh, no, like you have to pay with us and it's twice the amount. So I like booked on Agoda right in front of them. And I'm like, there you go, it's confirmed, I've paid. And they got all shitty with me and they're like, okay, you have to come back 2 o'clock for check-in. There's no room now. So whatever, I got a great deal on the room and it's in a great location. Well, that's all good. I know just the place to sit and kill a little bit of time. Cheers. something I've really been looking forward to doing is flying my new drone. So I've gotten it, I haven't managed to fly it yet. It rained like every day when I had it in Bangkok, and then I went to Vietnam. So today I'm finally gonna get to throw it up in the air, and what a better place to do it. Man, that was awesome. This drone flies really well. I'm very impressed. I was a little nervous flying it because first time flying it, I don't want to lose it. Wow, super impressed. So I am really looking forward to seeing the footage from that. The drone flew amazingly well. So my main drone that I use is a DJI Mavic Mini 1. So it's a few years old now, but it's a great drone nonetheless. And this was just, it felt so solid in the air, and it went exactly where I wanted it to. I sent it like really far away and I was just a little nervous because I still don't know the software all that well. Like if something goes wrong with my DJI, if it drops out or whatever, I know exactly what to do. And this, I haven't done a whole lot of research. So just winging it, hoping for the best. And oh man, I can't wait to see the footage. That was good fun. So lately, I've obviously reached some point where I've reached whatever benchmark it is. The brands have become really interested in me all of a sudden, and I keep getting sent all this free stuff, which is really cool. This, I think this is clothing. So this company is called Koyye. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Koyye, they reached out to me a little while ago and they asked me if I'd like some clothes, and I thought they had some really cool stuff. So I said, yeah. So first up, this is a pair of shorts. Then I got Koyye. Then I got a t-shirt hoodie. So they have all like street style clothing, which I'm really into. That's cool. It looks rad. The sizing looks good. Oh, I like these. They're actually a nice, like really light material, so I'll be able to wear them here and not get too hot. They're not thick like sweatpants or anything like that. Ooh, I like this too. Yeah, awesome clothing. So this brand, Koyye, they reached out to me. They've got one of the biggest online stores that I've ever seen. I'm actually really happy with these clothes. I'm gonna wear them out tonight. So I'm going out for a friend's birthday. Gonna go hit a few clubs here in Pattaya, so I'm gonna be looking fresh. This is cool. I like this. This whole like black and white thing is all the rage at the moment with streetwear. Yeah. I like this. This is a really cool combo. So huge thanks to Koyye for sending me this stuff. Check them out. I'll leave a link for them below. They've got a massive online store, all different types of clothes. Check them out. Thanks, Koyye.